Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my channel Being Developer. Today's our lecture is PHP. What is PHP and what is the work and usage of PHP? What is the requirements for PHP? Is use and where we can write a program of PHP and how to execute. So let's see what is PHP. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. It is an open source server-side and scripting language used for the development of web applications. A scripting language means program that is script-based lines of code written for the automation of tasks. PHP can be embedded in HTML and it's well suited for web application and the creation of dynamic web pages for web applications, e-commerce applications and database applications. Web application and e-commerce, these these types these types of application we can build by PHP and other also. PHP is similar like C, C++. The syntax of PHP is similar to C and C++, and now we see working and usage of PHP. PHP scripts can be used on most of the well-known operating systems like Linux, Unix, Solaris, Microsoft Windows, macOS, and many others. It also supports most web servers, including Apache and IIS. In PHP, server-side scripting is a main area of operation. Server-side scripting with PHP involves PHP parser, web server, and web browser. What is PHP parser? PHP parser, a program that converts source code and human readable code into a format that is easier for computer to understand. What is web server? A program that executes files that from web pages from user request. And what is web browser? An application used to display content on the World Wide Web, means www. It displays the contents of application on the World Wide Web. Requirements for PHP. What are the requirements for PHP? Is requirements to run PHP are either one of the following two options. There are two options required to run PHP. First, web host means server that supports PHP, and other one is web server and PHP installed on your computer. So how you know which PHP you need to install? I tell you later. So required tools for PHP code. There are lot of many tools for PHP coding. And some of them are Notepad, that is simple. Notepad plus plus, that is the latest other version of Notepad, and Sublime text editor. We use Sublime text editor for PHP code. Atom is also a good platform for coding. Brackets is also good for bracket is also another good platform for codings. XAMPP is a server, the local server there that is used to run the PHP code, because for PHP code we need a server, and XAMPP is a local server that is used to execute on the PHP program server, because PHP is a scripting language, and scripting language means PHP is a server based language. It means PHP code runs on the server base. So today we learn what is PHP and usage and working of PHP and requirements for PHP, and what tools are required for PHP coding, and which server is best for PHP as a local. And server is XAMPP server. XAMPP server, mostly we use XAMPP server. So in these tutorials we also use XAMPP server for PHP coding. So that is enough for today. Next lecture we will see how to install XAMPP, and and we should use for coding of PHP, and tool is PHP coding. Tool for PHP coding is Sublime. I will use in these tutorials. So in next lecture we will see how to install XAMPP server and Sublime text editor. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.